Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied qualification of directors, disqualification of directors. Qualifications of director. His main function is a person sound of mind. Disqualification director is unsound of mind. Today, board of directors. Today we all learn about board of directors. The governing body of company incorporate under a company act. Company Act what? 2013. Company Act called boards. It is the group of the individuals called directors elected the represent the view of the shareholder of public limited company and to manage a company affairs by establishing and policies and implementing them to achieve the goal. They are empowered to take a decision on major issues to lead the company into the right way. The general board of is empowered too. The board of director is a main function is implementation of new policies, introducing new policies, new achievement is established to business. Business is one step to improve to another step. Main main achievement is some different achievements. Next one, set a policies, restructure the objectives, evaluate the performance of managing director and senior executives, and exercise overall direction, adopt bylaws, and determine and pay the dividend, issues additional shares. The board of directors elected in many shareholders is one person is elected by shareholders is that person is a representative of shareholder. The board of directors is some new implementation in some new policies, set of new policies, restructure the objectives. Some objectives is late time only pick up the profit means new board of director change the policies, restructure the objectives, changes. Restructure means changes, evaluate performance managing and senior executor. Next one, adopt by law. Adopt means rules and regulation follow in directors. Next one, in general the board of responsible for the assisting the company in setting a board goals, supporting the management, ensuring the adequate resources available in the company and utilization. Utilization means some resources is used to business activity. Use, that is utilization. Next one, composition of the board of directors is mainly three compositions of board of. First one is general optimum combination. The board of directors shall have an optimum combination of executive and non-executive directors with at least one woman director. Each and every company, the board of director committee is compulsory. One woman person compulsory join the one of the board of director compulsory, and not less than 50% of board of director shall comprise of non-executive director. 50 percentage compulsory, 50 percentage of president of board of directors. When the non-executive director is the chairperson, in the case of at least one third of the board of directors shall comprise the independent directors, and where the company does not have a regular and non-executive chairperson, at least half of the board of directors shall comprise independent activities. Each and every director, some persons is controlling means fully, not for full utilized, but full control and full independently director means new implement policy, some changes, some advanced implementation of advanced new technical new implementation in business. Next one, when the non-executive chairperson is a promoter or related to any promoter or person occupying a management position to the level of board of director or at one level below the board of directors. In the case of at least one half of the board of director of a company shall consist the independently directors. Each and every company is independently to decided the some new implementations. A director is appointed to the board of company. Such directors have a different role of the play to attain a goal of the company according to the role of the differently classified to accountants with the provisions of the Company Act 2013. Whole-time director. Whole-time director. A director is one who devotes a whole of the time of working hours to the company. As significant persons interest the company as the sources of income. Some person is some fixed board of director means some fixed amount of the board of director, but some another company is some persons is full-time directors is fully more time spent in business activities, improvement of business activity, production improvement or purchase improvement of creating more employment. Only positive thinking is each and every minute think to business activity only. Next one, managing directors. A director is one who is employed by the company as to substantial power of management over the affair of the company are subject to superintendent direction and control of the board. Each and every directors full utilize the improve the company activities and more concentrate and more interest in business activities. Next one, executive director. An executive director is a chief executive officer, CEO, chief executive officer of a managing director of an organization, company, or corporation who is responsible for making a decision to complete the mission and force the success of the organization. The globalized business world, the little of president or chief executive officer is used to instead of managing director. Listen students, executive directors, that is chief executive officers, directors a organized company or corporate is responsible making a full Decision is full and full, independently, and success of the organization. Full and full success only is our main motive. Next one, non-executive directors. Non-executive directors typically does not engage in the day-to-day management of an organization but is involved the policy making a planning exercise. In additional non-executive directors' responsibility includes the monitoring of executive directors and acting the interest of the company stakeholders. Stakeholders means shareholder. A difference between executive and non-executive. An executive director can be either a whole-time director. Listen, students. Executive director is a whole-time, full and full business motive only, and do not interfere in another activity. That is full-time director, that is a executive director. But non-executive director is a director who is neither whole-time director nor managing directors. Managing director. Listen, students. Executive directors means full and full. Whole-time directors. The executive director is, listen, executive directors is very important. 2-mark question. Executive director and non-executive director. This question is important. 5-mark question. Okay, thank you, students. Next class we will discuss next one new topic. Listen, students, coming Monday what? Coming Monday, quarterly exam. Listen, students, each and every students, you read properly. You read carefully, each line by line. Inside one words are very important. Listen, students, you note it down. Inside one word is some separate paper or some separate. Don't listen, students. Correct time you present and correct time is leave the meeting. Listen, students, your handwriting is very neatly. Some student handwriting is very good presentation. Some student is very bad handwriting. Students, please improve your handwriting. Each and every day you improve your handwriting. One day means you read or some 2 or 3 questions you write, means each and every day daily you write, means your handwriting is good handwriting only. Listen, students, Monday onwards what? Monday onwards quarterly exam. Be prepared. Okay, thank you, students.